Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks. That's right, guys, but before I show you the tips and tricks, I just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, guys, because I am really trying to make it to 200,000 subscribers, guys. So please make sure to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your guys' support. But starting off with the first tip, guys, if you actually want to hide your stuff from the little noobs, the easiest thing to do is to make a wall like this, and then just go ahead and put a minecart with a chest right there like that, and then you have to go ahead and push it. Just give it like the tiniest push, guys. 2 hairs and some air, guys. Just the tiniest push. I think that should do it. That should do it, guys. And now it might be showing a little bit through the wall. That's what you want, guys, because then you can open it up and put your diamond sword in it, guys. And more than likely, nobody's ever gonna notice that. That's just like a little tiniest thing sticking out of the wall. And then you can also put a minecart with TNT behind your wall, and you can actually just give it a little push, and then when your friend actually sees it, like just that little tiniest bit like coming out from the wall, you could be like, hey man, go ahead and get out your flint and steel and go ahead and hit my wall and see what happens. And then when he actually hits your wall, it'll blow him up. It'll be like boom, and then he'll go flying, guys. Like a bunch of pieces will be dropping down on the ground, and it'll be really bad for him, guys. But I really love the chest. The chest, I guess, is kind of like a glitch, because it is kind of glitching through the wall. But that's one of my favorite hiding techniques. That's how I hide all of my stuff from noobs, guys. That, and also sometimes hide chest in water and lava, guys. But another cool thing you can do is if you spot something in the water and you can't really make out what it is, and you go underwater and you still can't make out what it is because it's so dark underwater for some reason, what you can do is you can drink night vision potion, and you can also drink water breathing potion, because you really still can't see that good. But after you drink water breathing potion, you can see how clear that is now, guys. Now we can clearly see that is a shark, guys, and it's a pretty big shark too. I would not want to get in the way of this shark, guys. Like, let's go ahead and take a look at his face. I bet he's real angry. Yup, that's an angry face. That's definitely an angry shark. But we would have never known that this was an angry shark if we didn't have the water breathing and night vision potion, guys. Make sure that you combine those two, because then you can even see like the little bubbles in the water, or maybe those are little tiny fish. I'm not really for sure, guys. And it even helps your vision seeing into the water if you're looking down like this, guys, because I can clearly see the shark. Now watch this, guys. I can barely see him. Like, I can't even really make him out, guys. So make sure, if you guys are going on a water exploring adventure, that you do bring along water breathing and night vision potion, guys, because it will help you tremendously, guys. Trust me, if I'm going on an undersea raid, I bring my water breathing potion and my night vision potion. But another thing is, if you're going like through the desert or something, guys, and you come across a bunch of sand that's piled up, what you can actually do is put one of your tree saplings under it, and then just go ahead and knock your stone out, and boom, it will actually smash all that unwanted sand. You can also do the same thing with cobblestone on railroad tracks, torches, levers, like everything, guys. Like, I really love to see the sand just fall on the torches, guys. I feel like it's so satisfying just watching it break. Like I said, you can also do it with levers, and you can even do it with redstone, guys. A lot of people don't know you can do this with redstone, but you actually can do it with redstone, guys. And you can also do it with half slabs. And the good thing about doing it this way is you can actually just pick up your redstone or pick up your half slab and just leave after you're mining all of your sand or cobblestone or whatever you are mining, guys. You can just pick it up and go easy. It's just like that, guys. We got 21 pieces in like less than, I say, 10 seconds, guys. But if you ever want to like clear out that unwanted grass, guys, and flowers, what you should do is get your bucket and just run right over to your closest water resource, which mine is this big river, and just go ahead and get a big bucket full of it, guys, and then just run back over to your unwanted grass, and then you can actually just go ahead and get rid of all this unwanted grass. Real easy. It's like the fastest lawn mow service I've ever seen. I wish I could do this in my real yard, guys, because I would be able to mow my grass like super quick. I would even mow my neighbor's grass if I could do this, guys. It would be so fast. I'd be mowing everybody's grass. You can also get rid of cobwebs this way. So if you go into a stronghold and you don't want to deal with all them cobwebs that Spider-Man's laid out for you, you can actually just use a bucket of water to get rid of all those unwanted cobweb, guys. So make sure, if you guys are going out on a brand adventure, you guys bring a bucket of water, guys. It is an absolutely must-have if you're going out on an adventure, guys. Also, another really funny trick to pull on your friends is if you actually go ahead and make a nether frame to actually head to the nether, guys. Basically, what you want to do is you want to make the frame how you'd usually make it. Then you want to jump on down, take a look at that absolutely amazing frame you just built, light this baby up, and then what you want to do is you just want to go behind it, guys, with a bucket of lava and TNT. And you want to just put out some traps for them, guys, because a lot of people like using your nether frame, but you know, sometimes you don't want them using your nether frame. You want them to go and get their own nether frame. And if you want them to get their own nether frame, the best way to troll them is by putting lava behind it. But you gotta make sure that the lava is actually laid out right, because if you only do it like I just did it, more likely it just jumps straight through and not even hit the lava. So make sure that you expand this by at least 1 extra block, or maybe even 3 blocks long. That way when they go to jump through it, guys, I'm going to enchant a golden apple so I don't die, because I do not want to burn to death. But when they actually jump through it, they're like, oh, I'm burning. No, poor little me. No, I didn't deserve this. And then whatever they have will burn, guys, and it will disintegrate. It'll be gone. Hopefully, ain't got nothing too good, because then that would be kind of sad. But another thing you could do is you could put TNT behind the frame, and when they actually go to use your frame, you could be like hiding over there, guys, with like a button or something, and then light it up, and then when they go to jump through, they'll be like, oh no, and it'll blow up right in their face, guys. And that's just some of the tips and tricks I know, guys. But if you guys know any cool tips and tricks, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. And also, please make sure to subscribe, guys. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.